Hi, it's Dr. Laura Jaggett, and I want to show you how to pack a suitcase. Packing well is a very valuable life skill in my opinion, and with just a little thought, you can pack a really efficient and organized bag. Once you've decided what you're taking on your trip, don't just shove it in the suitcase. Let me show you what I do. Here's what makes my packing experience so much better. These are called packing cubes. They come in different sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. These are Amazon basic packing cubes, but you can find them in most stores. This is awesome because 1, your clothes will stay neat and largely wrinkle-free. 2, if you pack them strategically, you can find what you want more quickly. 3, your suitcase will be organized. And 4, you can use them to hold dirty clothes and keep those separate from the clean ones. I'm a very efficient traveler. I choose clothes that are light and versatile. This pile of clothes is what I would bring on a 7-day trip to a coastal area in the summer. I'm going to fit all of this in these 2 packing cubes. I use 1 cube to hold all of my clothing. I start with the shirts. Fold them neatly and smooth out as many wrinkles as you can. Then you're going to roll it into a tube and place it in the cube. Next to the bottoms, I have a pair of jeans and a short skirt and a longer skirt. I can usually wear these items more than once. I'm going to put the longer skirt on top of all the tops, followed by the dress and then the shawl. There it is, all my clothes for the week in one bag. The second bag is going to hold undergarments, pajamas, bathing suits, socks, flip-flops, sandals, and a sun hat. I can also fit in this microfiber towel, which is really large, but condenses down into this small little pouch. This is really handy, not only for the beach, but also for showers, and it dries very quickly. For toiletries, I just bring what for me is absolutely necessary. This is it. I also always pack a small first aid kit. If you plan on being online while you're on vacation, don't forget your computer, phone, tablet, battery packs, and chargers. Look how easily everything fits into your suitcase. And there's also room to put in your electronics. Packing cubes, I highly recommend them. Your travel needs are going to be different than mine, so I recommend you experiment with the different sizes and see what works best for you. I hope this helps you. Please give this Mominar a like and make sure you share it with others. And most importantly, please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials on how to do basic life skills. Also, make sure you check out the How to Life podcast for more in-depth discussion on adulting. You'll find information, instruction, and inspiration. The links for the podcast are down below in the show notes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.